Hey guys, if you've been around for a while, then you've probably heard me mention in a few of my other videos how Google is your friend. And today I wanted to give you another reason why that's true. Stick around and find out how you can sustainably make up to $4,000 each month with the help of our good old buddy Google. It's going to be a little bit different than our usual, but trust me, this is one video that you wouldn't want to miss. Welcome to Next Level Finance, where we teach you how to make money online with your financial freedom as the ultimate goal. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make money online with Google certifications and its free courses. This is 100% free to do. Should take about a couple of hours of your time, but I promise you that it will be well worth your effort. There are a ton of skills that you will pick up from these courses and thousands of big and small businesses and even entrepreneurs that you can offer this to. And don't you worry, I'll talk you through how to get certified and then where you can get people to pay you to do the job. Let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do would be to head on over to skillshop.withgoogle.com. On this website, you'll see that there are several different things that you can get certified for. And just because of how everything in the world is converting to digital, there's an almost infinite need for people to do this kind of work. I know you're thinking that business owners could take these courses themselves and get certified, and that would leave you without a job or without anything to do. And while many of them might, most will want to hire and outsource this requirement and focus on other parts of their business instead. And if you can help people make money by creating ad campaigns for them, they wouldn't really hesitate to pay you. So on the Skillshop website, you'll see that it says, master the Google tools you use at work with free online training, develop skills you can apply right away with e-learning courses designed by Google product experts, learn at your own pace, and get Google products certified. So if you take a look at the trainings available, you'll see here that there are many different ones that you can try. But if you're clueless where to start, I would say Google Ads is probably the most in-demand skill and would be a great place to begin. So let me go ahead and click on that. Now you'll see all of the course information here, like what you can expect to learn, or what each certification will give you the ability to do. I personally love how they broke the courses down into parts so that you don't have to take everything in one go. It also tells you how much time you'll need to spend per course so that you can set aside that particular time depending on your schedule. This is honestly such an incredible opportunity. Imagine how getting a university degree will get you to spend between $15,000 to $40,000 a year without the promise of a job after that. With these free courses that Google is offering, you can actually get certified for high-income skills that pay the bills. You simply study the material, do the optional knowledge assessment, which will serve as some sort of a refresher for what you just learned, and then take the certification exam when you're ready. If you don't have much time and maybe already know a thing or two about the course, you also have the option to forego the course altogether and just take the certification exam. But if you do have that extra time on your hands, then I would highly recommend that you at least skim through the materials that are made available to you here. If you're enjoying our content so far, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Now let's talk about where you can go to find clients who will pay you for your services once you have those certifications on hand. There are a number of legit websites, and let me show you just what they are. The first one I wanted to mention is called peopleperhour.com, and a ton of businesses visit this website looking for experts who can help them with different requirements or projects. This would include setting up Google Ads or running a Google ad campaign for them. So you can basically specify a fixed rate or an hourly one depending on what you're comfortable with, and you can determine this by checking just how much others are charging for the same thing. So let's go ahead and try that now. So on this website, you'll want to search Google Ads Manager under Search Offers to buy now. And as you can see here, there are a number of people who charge a fixed rate, and they specify the time that it would take them to complete a certain project. So this guy over here, Mike N, for instance, says that he can finish this job in 6 days, and he charges $780 for it. The thing is, this guy has also gotten 259 sales from this site alone. And let's try to do the math for this and check how much he's made. So that's $780 multiplied by 259 customers. Okay, so he's earned a whopping $202,000 working this gig as a Google AdWords professional. That's honestly really impressive and something that you could have going for yourself too. So let's take a look at a few more places where you can offer this service. There's this other online platform called Fiverr.com where you can offer your services too. So again, let's search for Google Ads Manager and see how much people are charging. Okay, so here we can see that their rates start at $95. Okay, let's check on this guy's page. Here you'll see that he also offers 2 other packages that are priced at $295 and $455 a piece. And in his profile, this ad manager says that he's completed over 3,500 projects. And if we compute that using his mid-tier package, which is $295, and multiply that by 3,500, guys, that's over $1 million in sales. Besides these ones, there are a ton of other job sites that are available worldwide and also depending on your location. So you can take advantage of all of those and be present everywhere to maximize your earning potential. If you feel like you're stuck in a rut and don't know where to start making money online, you can definitely start here. Build your skills and your confidence, and along with it, just keep learning, keep growing as you work your way toward financial freedom. I do hope that you found a lot of value in today's video and that you do something about it today. Remember that tomorrow you will only wish that you had started sooner. We do have a ton of other videos that you can binge watch, and they're all about how you can make money online. So do make sure you check those out as well. I'll leave links over here so you can find them even more easily. As always, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video and our channel with your friends because it really does support us and it helps keep us going. We post several times a week now, so make sure you watch out for our coming videos as well. Alrighty then, that's it for today. This is Next Level Finance signing off until the next one.